How to use film and gel waxes. Plug in mini wax heater and remove lid. Pour film or gel wax beads into heater. Do not overfill past 3/4 full. Turn dial to 6 to heat wax beads on high for approximately 10 minutes. Stir regularly to check wax consistency. Once the wax is at the ideal consistency of thick honey, turn dial between 3 and 4 to maintain heat. Top up beads gradually after each use to maintain heat consistency. Do not fill past 3/4 full, and wax should always be able to be stirred. Test a thumb-sized drop of wax on the wrist to make sure wax isn't too hot. You are now ready to wax. Coat a generous amount of wax on the spatula, taking the wax from the core whilst twirling at a steady pace. Spread a thick, oval-shaped layer of wax in the direction of the hair growth. Wait 15 to 20 seconds. The wax is ready to be removed when it no longer sticks to the fingertip. Ensure skin is taut. Hold onto the edge of the wax and quickly pull in the opposite direction of hair growth, as close to the skin as possible. Repeat the process to remove all the hairs. Any wax residue left on the skin can be removed by Caronlab after waxing oil. For a smooth finish, use Caronlab Soothe after waxing soothing lotion.